everyone. In this video, we are going to create an interactive pattern just like this. And this is really cool pattern. You will love it at the end. And this is very easy to create. So make sure watch the video till the end. So first of all, we will create a frame of a square shape. So press F and create a frame just like this. And I will create a rectangle now. Press R. I will make height of this rectangle to 10 pixel. Change the color to black. Now create a component of it. Go to right hand side and from this icon you can create component. Add a variant now. Click on this icon and you will add a variant. Reduce the size of the variant. I will make it 3 pixels. Now it's time to connect. Go to prototype and connect to first, variant to second. Trigger will be while hovering and animation will be smart animate. Duration will be 600 millisecond. Now we have a component here. Go to asset and drag the component to the frame. Put this at the top. Duplicate the component. Drag it little down. Now duplicate it multiple times to fill the square just like this. Now I will select all the variants. Click on the frame and hit enter so that we can select nested elements. Just like this, you can see at left hand side all the variants have been selected. Now I will press Command D on the keyboard and you can see at the left hand side duplicate of the component has been created. Now I want to change the direction of it. So you can do just like this. And I think it is perfectly okay. It is a little bit off, so I will do minus 90 degree. Yeah. Now all the components are inside this frame 1. It's time to check the preview. Let's see. Let's see what is the result. Wow, this is cool. You can see it is working very nicely. Let's change the color of it a little bit. So I will go to main component and change the color to white. And now go to preview. Wow, I love it. We can do one more change in this. Let's undo this. And now we can add a background color into the frame. Let's add gradient color. Yes, so color has been changed. Let's check the preview again. Wow, amazing. So you must have seen this. This is very easy to create. You can use this for your project or for your website, anywhere. This pattern is really awesome. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.